Okay, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on the Health app. The Health app comes installed on all iPhones. So if you have an iPhone, you have the Health app. Let's look at the main screen. So when I pull up the app, it's going to bring me to this home screen. It's going to show me my activity for today. So today I've walked 0.21 miles. I've taken 501 steps, and I've climbed 2 flights of stairs. As you can see, there's times on each one. That shows the total, that shows the last time that these numbers were calculated. So I haven't made any movements in about 40 minutes. So as soon as I make more movements, it's going to update. And this works if you have your iPhone in your pocket or on you. It's going to track how many times you're moving. And as we can see, we have it for today, but I can go back to yesterday. I walked 1.5 miles and I moved 3,607 steps. That's as of about midnight last night. And you can go to month view and just pick what day you want. Health data. It tracks all kinds of things about you. Activity, it shows the data about when I moved and was active. Some apps that can be used to help track my data. And then stuff that's not being tracked because I don't have it linked up. So that's what these apps are for, to help you get more data. Mindfulness, again, you have to use the apps to kind of get more data. Sleeping, if you use the clock app on the iPhone and you have the sleep time setting going, this is where you can track your sleep. You can also use these apps. And nutrition, again, you have to use the apps to get any data. And as well, you need apps to get all this information. Sources,